everyone, I will explain the intrinsic elements in the Jokowi film. So what are they? Let's see together. These intrinsic elements include theme, character, plot, setting, point of view, language style, mandates. Number 1. Theme. The theme contained in Jokowi's film is Jokowi's life struggle in achieving his goals, becoming a useful person for many people and not never giving up in life. Jadi, isi dari tema film Jokowi ini berisikan tentang perjuangan hidup Jokowi dalam menggapai cita-citanya, menjadi orang yang berguna bagi orang banyak, serta tidak pantang menyerah dalam menjalani kehidupannya. Number 2. Characters of characterization. In Jokowi's film, which often appear with their respective characters. The characters of characterization are 1. Jokowi. He is kind, humble, simple, polite, shy, and never give us up. Jadi tokoh Jokowi ini dia bersifat baik hati, rendah hati, sederhana, sopan, pemalu, dan tidak pantang menyerah. Number 2 yaitu Iriana. She has a polite, humble, shy, simple, and loyal character. Dan karakter yang kedua Iriana. Ia memiliki karakter sopan, rendah hati, pemalu, sederhana, dan setia. Yang ketiga Notomi Harjo. Notomi Harjo, a figure who teaches Jokowi a lot, is hardworking, responsible, compassionate, independent, and candid. Always trying to give the best for his family. He is a little harsh on his son when he makes a mistake without hurting him. Jadi Notomi Harjo ini sosok yang banyak memberikan pelajaran kepada Jokowi. Ini memiliki sifat pekerja keras, tanggung jawab, penyayang, mandiri, dan apa adanya. Selalu berusaha memberikan yang terbaik untuk keluarganya. Ia sedikit keras kepada anaknya apabila melakukan kesalahan tanpa harus menyakitkannya. The plot or storyline of Jokowi's film is mixed plot. It is very visible in the film, which tells the story of Jokowi before his mother has born. Then tells when he was in school and during college until he became the number 1 person in Jakarta in 2022. But there is a scene or part of the film story that retells Jokowi's memories of the late deceased father and grandfather. Jadi, plot atau alur cerita film Jokowi ini berisi alur campuran. Terlihat sekali pada filmnya, yaitu menceritakan saat Jokowi sebelum dilahirkan oleh ibunya, lalu menceritakan saat dia sekolah serta saat kuliah hingga menjadi orang nomor 1 di Jakarta di tahun 2000, yaitu menjadi gubernur di Jakarta di tahun 2012. Namun ada scene atau bagian cerita film yang menceritakan kembali kenangan Jokowi terhadap mendiang almarhum bapak dan kakeknya. Number 4. Background. The setting in Jokowi's film refers to 1. The setting takes place in Surakarta city in 1961 when Jokowi was born until 2022 when Jokowi was appointed as the number 1 person in Jakarta. During that period, Jokowi lived in his uncle's rented house. Rented Mr. Harjo, SMP Negeri 1 Surakarta, SMP Negeri 6 Surakarta, place to its soto stalls, terminals, boarding house, when Jokowi was in college, Iriana's parents' house, and Gajah Mada University. Number 2, the time setting occurs in the morning, afternoon, and at night. This can be seen from the atmosphere shown in the films as well as from some of the dialogues spoken by the players. Number 3, the background of the atmosphere that occurs are lively, solemn, warm, relaxed, serious, sad, uplifting, and moving. This can be seen in scenes or parts of the film story, such as one when Jokowi's father and grandfather died, making the atmosphere sad and touching. Jadi, latar belakang pada film Jokowi mengacu pada satu latar tempat terjadi di kota Surakarta di tahun 1961 saat Jokowi lahir hingga tahun 2012, menceritakan saat Jokowi dilantik menjadi orang nomor 1 di Jakarta, yaitu menjadi gubernur pada kurun waktu tersebut. Jokowi tinggal di kontrakan pamannya, kontrakan Bu Harjo, SMP Negeri 1 Surakarta, SMA Negeri 6 Surakarta, tempat makan warung soto, terminal kosan saat Jokowi kuliah, rumah orang tua Iriana, serta Universitas Gajah Mada. Yang kedua, latar waktu terjadi pada pagi, siang, serta di malam hari. Hal itu terlihat dari suasana yang ditampilkan dalam film serta dari beberapa dialog yang diucapkan oleh para pemain.
Point of view. The point of view in Jokowi's films uses a third-person point of view because the author tries to tell the life of the main characters in the films. 6. Language style. Jokowi's film uses metaphorical language style. Metaphoric figure of speech puts an object that is the same as the main message to be conveyed by means of an expression. For example, don't make promise if you can't keep. The last is message atau pesan moral. Pesan dalam film tersebut, dalam film Jokowi adalah memberi motivasi kepada kita supaya kita tetap semangat dan jangan menyerah untuk menghadapi segala rintangan hidup untuk mencapai cita-cita kita. Walau kita hidup dan lahir dalam kekurangan, namun kita harus tetap semangat sehingga kita dapat mencapai tujuan kita. Next is unsur extrinsic. The extrinsic elements is building the work from the outside. First is moral values. The moral values contained in Jokowi's films are 1. Being born poor is not wrong. If you die poor, it is wrong. 2. Being brave doesn't have to use muscles but brain. 3. If you are brave, don't be afraid, but if you are afraid, don't be brave. 4. How to win something without humiliating the enemy. 5. Don't make promise you can keep. Dapat disimpulkan bahwa pesan moral dari film Jokowi tersebut adalah bahwa jangan pernah membuat janji kalau kita tidak bisa menepati, karena janji adalah hutang. Dan yang kedua, jangan mengalahkan musuh menggunakan otot, tapi kita dapat menggunakan otak kita untuk mengalahkan musuh sehingga kita dapat menjadi manusia-manusia yang berhasil. Asal kita hidup sesuai dengan norma-norma yang berlaku dan dengan hati nurani yang baik, sehingga Tuhan akan membantu kita untuk menuju kesuksesan.
Moral values contained in Jokowi's film are 1. Being born poor is not wrong. If you die poor, it is wrong. 2. Being brave doesn't have to use muscles but brains. 3. If you are brave, don't be afraid. If you are afraid, don't be brave. 4. How to win something without humiliating the enemy. 5. Don't make promises you can't keep. It can be concluded that the moral value of Jokowi's film is that all actions do not have to use muscles, but must use those as well. Don't make promises that you can keep, because promises are debts that must be paid. And circumstances can change with our own actions without complaining, and give up can make life better.
Author psychology. The author psychology is to have the dove that the story of the struggle must be in a word so that it can be a lesson for the audience. In Jokowi's film, it is very suitable to be watched by students. Religion's values. The religious values contained in Jokowi's film are 1. Believe in Allah. 2. Get used to the Quran since childhood. 3. As a Muslim, pray 5 times a day. 5. Always pray. Respect another people's religions. The key is that the value of Jokowi's film is that of problems in life must believe in Allah, that everything and there must be a way out. Always perform the 5-day prayers, and fellow human being must respect other people's religions. Social values. The social values contained in Jokowi's film are 1. Human beings help each another. 2. Fellow human being respect each another. It did be said that the social value contained in Jokowi's film is that humans must help each another and respect each another, because humans are social beings who cannot be separated from relationship in life. Conclusion based on the explanation above. It can be said that Jokowi's film is said to be good because it has many good and positive meanings. Also in the struggle of life as a motivation for everyone. So that Jokowi's films deserves to be watched by everyone, especially for students.